Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a install, and this installation is sponsored by ZSF Hair. They sent me a 613 26 inches wig, and I dyed it pink, as you can see from the thumbnail. So the dyes that I used were cotton candy and pink petal. I mixed both. Yeah, I kind of eyeballed it, like I didn't measure it to say okay, this is the exact amount that I use. So it's really up to you, but I would recommend you going in with less first and gradually add as you go, as opposed to you putting too much from the get-go and then it's too bright or it's not the actual shade that you want, and it's better to add than to take off. But yeah, that is pretty much all I did for this week. I really should have washed it with a little bit of purple shampoo first, but I didn't. I don't know why. I just went straight ahead and dyed it, but it still came out cute. But I would definitely recommend washing it with some purple shampoo first. So all I did was just dipped it with the, as you can see, I did the watercolor method, which is just getting warm water in a sink or a bowl, add the colors and put the wig in it to soak. That's pretty much all you do, and it's practical. It's very easy when it's a 613 hair, because 613 hair soak up the dyes quickly and faster, so faster and more efficiently. Yeah. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, anyways. Yeah, so that is all I did, and I just left it in the sink to soak for at least 10 minutes, and then I went ahead and washed it out and jumped right into the installation of the wig after I allowed it to dry clear. After I allow it to dry, what am I? Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking, like, sorry. Okay, now for the installation of the wig. I already went and did my ball cap method, and I used my I started using the Ruby Kiss. Is it? I think it's Ruby Kisses cream foundation or cream concealer, one of them, but it's in a little round container with the two sides, the cream contour, the cream concealer. Yeah, that's what I started using for my ball cap method now, and I absolutely love it. I like it better than the LA Girl Pro Concealer, just because I feel like the LA Girl Pro Concealer is a little bit, like, it's wetty, it's creamy, but it's more like wet, and it kind of stains. I don't know, like it's more liquidy compared to the cream concealer. The cream concealer kit from Ruby Kisses, it's a little bit more, like, it's thicker, and it's, I don't know, it's easier to spread to me. So I switched it, and I'm using that now, and I absolutely love it. I can't lie, I actually love it. But I went ahead and I sprayed my wig with the even tinted lace spray. That's the concealer that I'm talking about. I don't know, but yeah. I went ahead and I sprayed the wig with my even tinted lace spray. I did do some little beach curls in it. Y'all know I am not, like, I'm still practicing my beach curls, but I'm getting there. But yeah, that's all I did. Just sprayed it with the even tinted lace spray, and then I'm going to be installing my wig. Also, do not forget to always clean your hairline with alcohol, and also protect your skin with skin protectant spray. My skin protectant spray that I use is from the Bolt Hold company. So that is what I use to protect my skin under the glue, because the glue will damage your skin if you're not taking care of your skin properly or making sure that your skin is well protected. It will give you bumps, and if you have really sensitive skin, then it can literally irritate your skin and maybe cause rash. You don't know. So to be safe, or to be on the safe side, just make sure to put some skin protectant spray on your skin before applying your wig. Now I'll be using the Bold Hold Active Glue. This is in the pink bottle. So yeah, that's what I'll be using to install this wig today. I'm also doing my TikTok videos. If you see me looking on the side, that is why. Also, for my Bold Hold glue, I always use 3, because I do not keep my wig on for long. If you want to keep your wig on for a longer period of time, then obviously you would need to put in, you would need to put more layers, but because I don't keep it on for too long, I am actually just using only 3 layers, and allowed each layer to dry clear before applying it to um, my, yeah, applying the wig to my head. So for my baby hairs, my camera died in the middle of it, and I ended up having to switch the batteries and whatnot. But what I use for my baby hairs in this tutorial, I use mousse, just because I don't really like using like a gel product with 613 or any type of colored hair. I just feel like when it stick to your face, then you don't really see the baby hairs. Like, it just looked weird to me, so I normally just use mousse, and then I'll go in and comb out the baby hairs because I don't want it to be like sticking to my forehead. Also, for these curls, y'all know beach curls, or if y'all don't know, it's pretty much just curling regular with a barrel curler and leaving the ends straight. As you can see, when I reach to the ends, I cannot twirl it around and pull the iron. And you want to do each different curl in different directions. So if you do one going forward, you do the next one going backward. However, for the front part, I feel like I should have did more going away from the face. I don't know why, but I ended up having to do that because it didn't look right. Yeah. If you have any tips on doing beach curls, then definitely put it down in the description box because I really need it. I need to practice more, okay? But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and then, I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Honestly, I have a love-hate relationship with beach curls. I absolutely love them, but I still need to practice them. However, I feel like this is cute. Pink is always my color. Whenever I do pink, I feel like a doll. So I'm happy that I was able to get my pink color in with the sponsorship of ZSF here. I think, yeah, so it's ZSF here, and they pretty much sent me, I think this is a 26-inch 13 by 4 613 wig, but just they didn't, yeah, so they sent me some little goodies. They sent me some combs. I think they sent me a comb. This is like a mesh to go on your hair if you're making wigs, and I think this is just a headband. Is it? Yeah, and then they sent me this headband. So once again, I would like to thank ZSF Hair for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. The links will be in the description box, so do not forget to check that out if you want to purchase this hair. Once again, thank you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.